Welcome back to Infotech, the channel where we explore the latest and most innovative tech gadgets and tools. In today's video, we're going to showcase 10 cool tools you must see. From powerful cutting tools to versatile lighting solutions, we have it all covered. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 10. Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw. Starting off our list is the Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw. This versatile tool allows for quick, easy, and clean cuts in materials like oriented strand boards, drywall, and softwood, with adjustable diameters ranging from 35 to 83 millimeters. It's perfect for installing light fixtures, sockets, and switches. Weighing just 180 grams, it's lightweight and can be used with both drills and screwdrivers. The set even includes 2 hex keys for easy adjustment. With a price tag of only $49, this adjustable electric hole saw is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Number 9. Roberts Floor Rollers. Next up, we have the Roberts Floor Rollers. These rollers are designed specifically for working with floor coverings like linoleum and vinyl. With models weighing up to 45 kilograms, they ensure perfect contact between the material, adhesive compound, and the floor. The excellent balance of these floor rollers guarantees even gluing and easy maneuverability, even in high-traffic areas. Some models even feature removable pivoting legs with wheels for multi-area projects. Priced at $285 for the 34-kilogram model, these floor rollers are a valuable tool for any flooring professional. Number 8. Hyde Tools Folding Painters Tools. Moving on, let's talk about the Hyde Tools Folding Painters Tools. These multi-tools are a painter's ultimate companion, providing the versatility needed for a range of tasks. From opening cans or boxes to cleaning paint rollers and removing old paint, these tools have got you covered. The locking mechanism ensures safe and convenient usage, while the second version even includes a putty knife for added functionality. With a price range spanning from $13 to $28, it's no surprise that Hyde Tools ships millions of these versatile tools worldwide each year. Painters everywhere rely on these reliable and affordable tools to make their work easier and more efficient. Number 7. From P331 Plastic Strapping Tool. Up next is the From P331 Plastic Strapping Tool, a must-have for securely strapping packages. With a tape width of up to 32 millimeters, it provides a reliable and efficient solution. What sets this tool apart is its innovative welding technology, which eliminates the need for seals and ensures a strong bond. The brushless motor not only guarantees quiet operation but also extends the tool's lifespan. Its well-balanced design and 6.5 kilogram weight make it comfortable to use in any position, reducing strain during packaging tasks. While the self-adjusting version comes at a price of $4,000, it proves to be a worthwhile investment for commercial packaging operations. With its impressive features and performance, the From P331 Plastic Strapping Tool is a valuable tool for professionals seeking secure and efficient packaging solutions. Number 6. Klauke S20 RMC Remote Cutter. Now, let's talk about the Klauke S20 RMC Remote Cutter. This battery-powered hydraulic cutting tool is designed for handling cables up to 20 millimeters in diameter, including aluminum and copper cables. With a cutting time ranging from 2 to 8 seconds, it's perfect for complex cases in limited spaces. Weighing only 2 kilograms, it can be operated with one hand, providing convenience and maneuverability. The tool comes with the option to choose between Bosch or Makita batteries and offers data collection and reporting capabilities. Priced at $1,702, it's a reliable and efficient tool for cable specialists. Number 5. Gobel Go 12N. Moving on to the Gobel Go 12N. This tool is a game-changer for construction projects involving rivets. Made of steel and aluminum, this German ratchet tool is specifically designed for working with rivet nuts ranging from M6 to M12 in size. Its standout feature is the quick and efficient mandrel fitting and removal system, which significantly speeds up the riveting process, making it 4 times faster than traditional methods. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, the Gobel Go 12N is remarkably lightweight, allowing for easy handling and maneuverability. Priced at approximately $200, it offers professionals a reliable and cost-effective solution for working with rivet nuts. Whether you're in construction or any industry that requires riveting, this tool is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Number 4. iToolco Ground Rod Dog. Our next tool, the iToolco Ground Rod Dog, The iToolco Ground Rod Dog is an indispensable tool for professionals in the field of grounding rods. This innovative attachment revolutionizes the process of driving rods, making it fast, tidy, and accurate. Featuring a hex shank design, it seamlessly integrates with a wide range of impact drivers, eliminating the cumbersome requirement of a sledgehammer. Its patented design sets it apart, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Priced at approximately $240, the Ground Rod Dog offers a cost-effective solution for electricians and grounding specialists, providing them with unparalleled convenience and efficiency in their work. With this tool in hand, driving grounding rods becomes a hassle-free task, saving valuable time and effort while maintaining precision above ground level. Number 3. Nemo Reciprocating Saw. Dive into the depths with the Nemo Reciprocating Saw, the world's first and only cordless underwater tool. Created by Nemo Power Tools, this saw is designed to withstand underwater conditions and boasts a cutting depth of up to 50 meters, making it ideal for various underwater tasks. Despite its compact 2.9 kilogram weight, it delivers an impressive 3,000 strokes per minute, ensuring powerful cutting performance. The package includes a case, pump, blades, batteries, and a charger, providing everything you need for your underwater adventures. Priced at $2,251, this tool is a must-have for scientists and daring underwater explorers alike. With its reliability and versatility, the Nemo Reciprocating Saw is ready to tackle the challenges beneath the surface. Number 2. Milwaukee Fan Special G34. Now, let's explore a remarkable creation by a skilled gunsmith and Milwaukee enthusiast. This customized Glock 34 pistol in 9mm showcases the distinctive Milwaukee style. What makes it even more exciting is that you can also acquire a battery-powered revolver screwdriver featuring the same design aesthetic. This practical tool includes 6 bits and a 600 mAh battery, all for an incredible price of just $20. It's a flawless addition to any Milwaukee Fan's collection, seamlessly blending style and functionality into one irresistible package. Whether you're a gun enthusiast or a fan of Milwaukee's tools, this unique creation offers a fantastic opportunity to embrace your passion while getting work done efficiently. Number 1. Makita DML814. Finally, we have the Makita DML814, a powerful battery-powered light that's perfect for both home repairs and large commercial projects. The Makita DML814 is an exceptional battery-powered light that is a perfect choice for various projects, whether it's home repairs or large commercial ventures. Weighing less than 8 kilograms, this portable light offers convenience and easy maneuverability. Its adjustable height, ranging from 1.2 to 2.2 meters, allows for efficient illumination of expansive areas using just one unit. With a runtime of 3 to 10 hours, depending on the selected brightness setting, the Makita DML814 provides long-lasting illumination for extended periods. Its outdoor compatibility and the option to secure it to the ground with pegs make it a versatile lighting solution suitable for various environments. One notable feature is the smart system that remembers the last brightness setting, ensuring hassle-free and convenient use. Priced at $454, this Makita light offers reliability, versatility, and exceptional value for money, making it an excellent addition to any toolkit or project. And that wraps up our list of 10 cool tools you must see. From adjustable electric hole saws to underwater tools and powerful lights, these tools are designed to make your projects easier and more efficient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools are worth considering for your arsenal. Let us know in the comments which tool caught your attention the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Infotech for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.